I'm really going to miss the kids not being able to come into our house this year.
Me too. It makes me sad.
It does.
You know, there's so many of them that I want to see how much they grew this year.
I know, and how well they're doing in school. But I'm also going to miss Cedarburg.
I know.
Not being able to get there as often.
Yeah. And especially they put up the workshop for us and it looks so beautiful.
They do a great job.
Yes.
You know what, Mrs. Claus? Let's hook up that carriage and go for a tour in Cedarburg.
Santa, I would love that.
Let's go.
Do it.
Merry Christmas! Oh, hello! Merry Christmas!
Santa! Hey!
How are you? Merry Christmas!
Everyone's always so festive here.
Yes, they are. What a great night. I'm glad we were able to come down to Cedarburg.
We're so sorry we can't host you all in our community gym for our wonderful tree lighting as usual this year, but we're thrilled to still be able to light our beautiful tree. And I'm hoping that Mr. and Mrs. Claus can join us soon, and I think they were trying to make it. Here they are! Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Claus.
Excited to be here.
Thank you for joining us in Cedarburg, as you always do. We're sorry it's not normal, but we're happy you're here to light our tree, okay?
I know. Give
We'll
us
do
a
it.
countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Aw. Happy holidays from the Cedarburg Chamber of Commerce.